south where the highland fades, there's a poor man working in a rice-filled maze, and a barefoot boy on a jetty plank as he walks into the goal. In a lighthouse shining out to the sea, to the shrimp are staring in disbelief at the mermaid saying he's gotta believe that a light will take him home. And by the Mississippi River there's a southbound train, and it's headed for the goal. Gonna buy my ticket and hold it tight till I know I'm getting close. See me running down the alleyway.